Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I simplify the world of technology and AI news. Today's update is packed with major global tech stories from Tesla's self-driving launch and Nvidia's new AI chips to Meta's Hypernova AI. We will also cover big moves from India, including the country's $600 billion AI roadmap, Infosys investment strategy, and the rise of India's fastest growing AI unicorn. So make sure you watch till the end for the complete roundup. Let's get started. First news, India has unveiled an ambitious AI roadmap which could boost the nation's GDP by $600 billion. The government plans to expand AI use in agriculture, healthcare, education, and governance. Experts believe this could help India position itself as a global AI powerhouse. Second news, Infosys has announced a massive 18,000 crore share buyback, but it has triggered debts should India's biggest IT firms invest more aggressively in AI innovation instead of giving cash back to shareholders. Some analytics say companies like Infosys risk falling behind global AI leaders. Third news, India's healthcare sector, valued at $650 billion, is seeing huge AI adoption. From AI powered diagnostics to hospital automation, technology is set to improve patient care and reduce costs. The government and private hospitals are actively investing in this space. Fourth news, India has produced a new AI unicorn valued at $1.5 billion, making it the fastest growing startup in the country this year. The startup focuses on enterprise AI solutions and has gained massive investor attention, reflecting confidence in India's AI talent and innovation ecosystem. Fifth news, September 2025 saw a record surge in Indian startup funding, especially in AI-driven companies. Investors are betting heavily on generative AI, automation, and enterprise solutions. This trend confirms that India is becoming a hotbed for AI innovation, with funding momentum stronger than ever. Sixth news, the Indian AI boom has triggered a gold rush among global and local investors. Venture capitalists are racing to fund startups building products for finance, education, and healthcare. Experts say this rush could shape India's tech landscape for the next decade, much like IT outsourcing did in the early 2000s. Seventh news, economists are now predicting that AI will soon act as an active economic agent in India. This means AI would not just be a tool, it could start influencing decision making, boosting productivity, and even assisting government planning. Such a transformation could redefine how India's economy grows. Eighth news, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has urged that AI regulations must evolve quickly to match rapid tech progress. She stressed on balancing innovation with accountability, making sure AI is used responsibly in critical sectors like finance, healthcare, and defense. Regulation, she said, must prevent misuse without slowing innovation. Now we will talk about World AI news. First news, Tesla has officially rolled out its full self-driving system in Australia and New Zealand for the first time. This marks a big milestone because FSD was earlier limited to the US and selected markets. Now, Tesla drivers in these countries can experience advanced autonomous driving features like automatic lane changes, traffic light recognition, and self-navigation. Elon Musk has also hinted at a monthly subscription plan for FSD. Until now, buyers had to pay a hefty one-time fee, but subscriptions could make it affordable to more people. Analytics believe this move will accelerate global adoption and give Tesla an edge in the self-driving race. Second news, AI is tightening rules for ChatGPT users under 18. The decision comes after growing concerns that young users are getting over dependent on AI, sometimes even for homework or emotional support. The company will introduce safety filters, stricter content rules, and possibly parental controls. OpenAI says the goal is to protect teenagers from harmful or misleading content. This policy could reshape how AI tools are used in schools and among young learners. Third news, at Meta Connect 2025, Mark Zuckerberg unveiled Hypernova AI, a next-gen system built to power AR and VR devices. Unlike traditional models, Hypernova makes avatars and NPCs smarter, realistic, and interactive, pushing Meta's metaverse vision forward. Experts call it Meta's biggest leap since the Llama AI family. Fourth news, Nvidia introduced specialized AI chips designed for video, music, and software generation. This next-gen processor promises faster generative AI performance with lower energy use, giving data centers both power and sustainability. Fifth news, despite AI growth, layoffs are accelerating across global tech firms. Companies that overhired during the pandemic are now cutting roles due to automation and cost cuts. However, experts note many jobs are being replaced by AI driven roles like prompt engineers and AI product managers, showing a painful but important industry shift. Sixth news, Google's Gemini photo editing tool is trending worldwide, letting users transform selfies into futuristic styles. But security experts warn of privacy risks, unclear rules about how images are stored or reused for AI training raise concerns. For fun, social media, but users must weigh creativity versus data safety. Last news, Google and PayPal have partnered to create AI powered financial tools. Key features include real time fraud detection, personalized payment suggestions, and faster transactions. This marks a big move in fintech AI, aiming to make payments not only safer but also smarter and more user friendly. And that's a wrap on today's global and Indian AI news. From Tesla's full self driving launch to India's ambitious $600 billion AI roadmap. What do you think? Can India rise as the next AI superpower? Tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI and tech updates.